Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to Bitcoin Update. Today is going to be Saturday 10 of December and we're looking at this Bitcoin update today because right now we're trading nearly at 17,138 and yesterday we talked about this particular trend line on the top right there. So what I'm going to do is dive into the daily time frame right over here so that I can quickly throw a recap of what was happening yesterday. So this is what my current idea for what Bitcoin is doing basically. So what you did down here, came out sideways, move here and then pop to the downside is pretty much what I'm expecting here, sideways and then a drop to the downside in December. And we have 4 more days for the Fed meeting coming straight off. And right now at the moment what I see is nothing more than a a pump here, drop down, pump there, drop down, again pump to this trend line, drop down, pump again to that trend line, a drop down, fake out, drop down, and then boom, once again you're right on that trend line. And the icing on the cake about this one is the following, that you do have a bearish doji or maybe a spinning top next to it. As a matter of fact, if you combine these two candlesticks right now, this and this, both of them are known as bearish harami candlestick, and you really need to get above 17,300, and it has been like that even in the past when I said that breaking 17,300 and closing above it is important. But the last time you did it on a Monday was just a wick to 17,400, but it never really closed above it. That's the thing. Closing is important. It's not just that you go up there and then come down with a wick. That's not what we want. Now, basically from here, this is where we can see Bitcoin actually moving lower. Okay, that's a very big, massive place of, resistance. So at the moment in the 4-hour time frame, what I can say is the following as well. This can be confirmed on a pattern, which is first top here, the second top right there. So that's actually a bearish pattern. Double tops are normally bearish, and we could expect the move to start to begin slowly to the downside, and then next week picks up, and the rest of the whole month, we see Bitcoin spending some time, and we have a technical target to come down to 10,823, and that actually comes from this following pattern. Actually, it's on the daily, so let's dive into the daily as well, right over there. And that's going to be some sort of a descending triangle, something like this, where you started 1 2 3 4 5 6, break to the downside, and that's where the target actually goes if you take this top here to the bottom right there. And that's pretty much it for this quick update on Bitcoin right now. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.